Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. Today is my favorite time of the year. It's Christmas in July. Grab a snack, grab your favorite drink, and come along with me while I decorate for Christmas. And our host is the great Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and all co-hosts, her and all the co-hosts will be in my description box. Please check them out and enjoy.
Hey, it's Thad and Melissa, Buckeye Girl and Buckeye Boy. Welcome to their homes for the holidays.
Hey everybody, it's Melissa and Thad. Welcome to our home for the holidays. I hope you enjoy our holiday tour of our
Melissa
front
and Thad. We're going to do more of a light display later on, but we're just showing you Melissa decorated the front. And we got the cross with the manger and a little swag up here. And okay, the no wow sign lights up. It's not turned on. We got two dash out. She decorated. Frosty here will tell you something here soon. And we bought this because I like it. Me and Melissa's into these trucks for our, wiping your feet. And here's an angel. It's a cement thing. It's a planter. She bought these big balls. And she got some mesh with some artificial. I forget what that is. But she can tell you. I think she did. Okay, here's a word from Frosty.
Well, hello, and Merry Christmas. It's sure getting chilly around here. Make sure you stay warm and bundled up this season. Happy holidays!
And I did not get the wreath with the deer head up there. And we got a couple bells on our porch light, and I'm going to walk back here. And thank you, everybody. And we'll have one more video. The snowman's cute, by the way. There's a sensor when you get close to it, it lights up and goes off. Okay. I don't know if we're adding any more to the porch, but here's the porch right now. Okay, thank you for watching. Merry Christmas, happy holidays. Thank you. Bye-bye.